So we add today we're gonna use tamarind paste, tamarind sauce, you know, as well,นะคะ and this tamarind, coriander, seed, turmeric, ground fish meat, the dry one, dry shrimp, big one, small one. You see different color, chili flake, roasted chili flake, ground roasted rice, you know, like roasted ground rice here, and peanut, fried peanut, pickle lime, pickle garlic. So the vendor make a little bag for sale because for someone that they like to cook but not often, and then they can buy a little small portion.
Yeah.
They have different thing here, right? But look at this, a little bit old, but this one I want you to smell the crunchy smell. Lemon basil. And this one, this leaf, we call in Thai pak thai, Vietnamese mint or Vietnamese coriander. Different, right?
It smells a lot more like coriander than mint to me, but again, it's what you use. Yeah.
It's a secret. You can roll and wrap and eat it like this too. What about you scratch and smell them? The turmeric smell.
It's very good for you as well, right?
Very good for you. Anti-inflammation. This one, pinch of galanga and smell. This is galanga or Thai tea. You know, to make salad, it has to be green. And this one getting right, even yellow, but it's still hard. When it's hard and crunchy, you still can also make salad, but not the soggy one.
And when it's soft, you just eat it as fruit.
Yes, sweet. Yeah. The biggest ball that you see that had more meat, you know, I'm big for the big fat like that. Lamyai.
Oh. If we had one of these in our garden, I would just eat slogan all day. So, how you do? How's those house chores going? Nom, nom, nom.
Yeah. This is good sweet, but I plan to harvest them until the beginning of August, so next month. Wait a little bit more, a bigger and more sweet. Sweeter
How
than
do you go about harvesting this?
Just cut from here, the branch.
Yeah.
Snap,
Okay.
snap.
Yeah.
We go on the tree, snap, snap. I have an older son, he's pretty good on that.
Nice.
And my nephew, my niece, they will come and help. I saw in the market they're selling already. This is 35 baht for 1 kilo or something. Yeah.
Take one more.
Take more. Oh my god. Pad kra phao kai, stir fry, spicy stir fry chicken with holy basil. You take that. This is the best part. Alright, make it nice serving. Okay, so right there, this is quick.